Let's learn how to share Instagram Reels with close friends. If you want only people from your close friends list to see your Reels, but don't know how to set it up, you don't need to worry anymore. After watching this video, you'll know how to do it. The first thing you need to do is to check if your Instagram app is updated. You can do this by opening the App Store and clicking on the search option located in the bottom right corner of the screen. When you click on that option, type Instagram. If it says Open next to Instagram, it is updated. If it says Update, click on that and wait for a bit. Once it is updated, open Instagram by clicking the Open button. When Instagram opens, you'll be on the home screen, but you need to go to your profile page. You can access this by clicking on your profile picture located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once your profile page opens, click on the plus sign located at the top right. This will open a menu with several options, from which you need to select Reel. After clicking on that, you will be taken to a page where you need to select the video you want to add as a reel. Once you've clicked on the video, you'll be taken to a page where you need to choose the length of the reel. After choosing the length, click on the next option located in the top right corner. This will open a page with several options, and if you want to edit the video, click on the Edit Video option located in the bottom left corner of the screen. After finishing editing, click the next option in the bottom right corner. On the next page, you can add a description and other details. Here you need to click on the Audience option. When you click on that, a menu with a few options will appear, and you need to click on the second option, which is Close Friends. Then click the Done option at the bottom of the menu. Now click the next option at the bottom right. Finally, you will see a menu where you need to click on the Share option. And that's it. You've successfully posted a reel that only people from your close friends list can see. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.